Today we're talking about prime versus composite numbers. So there are two categories of numbers in this case. We've got prime numbers over here, and these are numbers that only have themselves and one as a factor. So, for example, a prime number could be 19. Why is 19 a prime number? Well, because its two factors are only 1 times 19, 19 times 1. Those are the only two ways you can get with multiplication. And so the unique factors are 1 and 19. 1 and 19. So a prime number is a number that only has two factors, 1 and itself. Another example of a prime number would be 31. Usually they're usually odd numbers, right? So only things that multiply to get 31 are 1 times 31 and 31 times 1, which means the unique factors are 1 and 31. Again, prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. Now that's different from a composite number. And a composite number, mostly going to be even numbers or numbers that end in 0 or 2, something like that. These are numbers that have multiple factors. So, for example, the number 14. So, number 14 has 1 times 14, 2 times 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. And then 7 times 2, and 14 times 1. The number of unique factors are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are the numbers 1, 2, 7, and 14. As you can see, there are far more than just 2. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 factors here. Therefore, it is a composite. A composite means a thing put together, right? Like a puzzle is a composite. A composite, therefore, means like more than two things coming together, right? Like compose yourself, or to compose an orchestra, right? You have several instruments playing at the same time, so we call these things compositions and composites. But anyway, enough of that. Prime numbers have two factors. Composite numbers have more than two factors.